eyes. Are they open?
Yeah.
Barely. All right. It's a brand new video. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey, good morning, everybody. How we doing today? My name is Michael.
And I'm Dione.
And this is Miss FITZ'S Adventures. Hey, today we're going from TONOAPH to Reno. It's going to be about a 4.5-hour trip. And then when we get there, we're going to spend the night, and then we're going to get up into Oregon probably the next day. But yeah, our trip today is going to be to Reno. This is TONOAPH. This is where we stayed. This is kind of like a Bang Club, which is a Chinese restaurant that has some casino things in it. So it has some slot machines, and I don't even has a table. We didn't even get to go in there to look. But yeah, there's big parking here. We had a couple trucks when we got here, the UPS truck you saw last week. But then we looked up here, and guess what? Above us, there must be an RV park, because I see pedestals up there. I see pedestals over there. So maybe we shouldn't have parked here, but we did have some campers over here. It was very quiet, very nice. Nobody came and bothered us. We got here about 3. There goes the cop over there, so obviously he knows we're here. So hey, yeah, so we're leaving. Camper looks good. Everything looks good. Dione looks good too. All right, guys. So we're going to get in the truck. She's going to get in the car. I'm going to follow her, and we're going to Reno today.
Yeah.
Right? Right. All right, guys. Let's go. We've only gone about 68 miles.
Yeah.
Yeah, my tummy got hungry. So we pulled over here. It's a town called Mia. And I saw these truckers out here, and so I just kind of, you can see my little tracks shot in here. And Dione came back, turned around. I'm going to take off that way when we leave. But yeah, this is a little town of Mia. Not much. It's a mining town. It looks kind of abandoned. We didn't see anybody in the town. There's more truckers, I think, in their trucks than there are people out on the streets. There's one guy walking, but I think he went over to maybe get something to eat or something. There was a brothel there called the Cat Club? Wildcat Club. And yeah, it was out in the middle of nowhere, but it was weird. Out in the middle of nowhere.
Middle of nowhere. Yeah.
So I guess it's close to this town. And I guess maybe there's more to the town because I see some signs, and maybe there's more down that way. Maybe we're just on the outskirts of town. But this whole area is nothing but mining. We've been passing by these really big mines with, they got all their equipment out there, their conveyor belts and their shakers and all that stuff, trumples. So I guess they're mining out here still. Pretty cool. Well, we're on the road. Next stop, Fallon?
Yep, next stop is Fallon.
Okay, we're going to go to Fallon, Nevada, because I've never been. So we're going to check that out and see how it is. Make sure we lock the door. Everything's good. Steps in. Camper looks good. All right, honey.
All right.
I'll give you talk on the radio. Let's get in, guys. Go make a circle around the camper. Make sure everything's good. Tires look good. Everything else looks still good. Yeah, everything there looks good. All right, guys, get in the truck and we'll head off to Fallon, Nevada, and then Reno.